Hello guys, it's Jamie, and today I'll be showing you the distributive property. In algebra, we often write the distributive property as A times the group B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. So, let's get our problem question. 4 times the group of 3 plus 2. So, there's two ways we can solve this. The first way is using Pemdas. So, 4 times 3 plus 2. So the first step we're going to want to do is the stuff that's in the parentheses. So 3 plus 2. Well, 3 plus 2 is 5. Bring it down. Times 4. 4 times 5 is 20. So that would be our answer. The second way you can solve this is the more algebraic way, and we call it distributive property. So in distributive property, you're going to want to take 4 times the group of 3 plus 2, but you're going to want to multiply 4 by the entire group. So you're going to want to factor out this 4. Did 2 copies of this 4. So that you're going to write this as 4 times 3 plus 4 times 2. Now notice how there's 2 copies of the 4. So now we're going to use Pemdas again and solve multiplication first. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 4 times 2 is 8, and 12 plus 8 is 20. So notice how we get the same answer. So why would we ever need to use distributive property? Well, in algebra, we often deal with unknown properties, also known as a variable. So what if we had the question 3 and then x plus 2? Well, we can't add x and 2, so how do we simplify this from here? We're going to want to use the distributive property. So that 3 times the group of x plus 2 is equal to 3x plus 3 times 2 is 6. So let's just break this down a little bit and see what I did. Well, 3, and then you're going to want to multiply 3 by x first. 3 times x, addition, plus 3 times 2. So 3 times 2. And then we're just going to simplify this, and 3 times 2 is 6. And 3 times x can be just written as 3x. So that's how I got this answer. Okay, so what if we had negatives? Well, what if we had 3 times negative x plus 2? Well, if 3, remember a positive times a negative is also always equal to a negative. So 3 times negative x is equal to negative 3x plus 3 times 2 is equal to 6. So this would be our answer. Now, what happens if x is the one that what happens if x is the one that's being multiplied? Well, problem question x times 7 minus 8. We have a negative here, and the x is on the outside of the parentheses. So, x times 7 and x times 8. So here you're not going to want to put the plus in the middle sign because 8 is a negative. So technically you could write it as this, plus x times negative 8. But this can just be simplified down to 7 times x is 7x. And then 8 times x is negative 8x. And this can just be simplified down to 7x minus 8x. So that would be our answer. Okay. Now, let's just do one more practice problem, just so we can really solidify it in our minds. What if we had the practice problem 5 times x plus 2? Well, x is inside the parentheses, so we'll have to use distributive property. 5 times x plus, this is a positive, so we're going to add plus 5 times 2 is equal to 5x plus 5 times 2 is 10. So that would be our answer. Now, I hope this video really helped you in learning or revisiting the distributive property, and continue to watch our videos. Have a nice day. Bye.